And I'm back where it all started. So the plan right now is to continue down to some waterfalls, Virginia and St. Mary, I believe. Let's go. The first place I'm gonna bring you guys to is the Sunrift Gorge. And that's a little bit of Sunrift Gorge. But let's continue on and check out some more waterfalls. Bearing Falls, ladies and gentlemen. This waterfall is coming down from the Sunrift Gorge. I'm here in Mary Lake, so this is another big lake here in Glacier National Park. It's closer to the Rising Sun Mountain. So this is St. Mary's Lake. It's actually really beautiful. The lady at the Logan Pass Visitor Center told me this is one of the places to come see the sunrise or sunset. Most people go to Lake McDonald's, which I will be at tomorrow, but this is definitely gorgeous. It's a lot less crowded. Sorry for my breathing. It's less crowded and it's just as beautiful. Those what you saw back there were the St. Mary's Falls. Now I just came across these and these are not named, so Lucas Falls, maybe? I really like these. St. Mary's Falls is very overcrowded with people, obviously, for their Instagram photo, but these deserve some credit. Glacier National Park, can you please stop blowing my mind on every single turn? Just when I think my day was over and I couldn't see anything that could surpass what I've already seen, little gems like that come up, and that's not even the final waterfall that I'm after right now. So well, let's see what else we're gonna find today. And you guessed it, more waterfalls. Let's see. Wow, how many waterfalls are there? And also after this, if time permits, there's one more surprise. At last, the holy grail of all these waterfalls that have been coming down and I've been exploring. So this is the Virgin Falls, the tallest of them all, I might add. And actually I'm gonna go walk up close to it so I can show you guys up close. Let's go. See you later, waterfalls, especially you, St. Mary's. So these are all the waterfalls I have for today. Let me know which ones you like. Was it the same, the Virgin Falls, the last ones that you guys saw, the St. Mary's, or maybe it was one of the other ones? I'm curious. I hope you guys enjoyed today's adventures as much as I did and as much as I enjoyed showing you guys. This is the last place. It's called the Hidden Lake. It was a perfect sunset to top off an amazing day, and from here I want to wish you a good night.